In this video, I'll show you another data entry work demo, and along with it, I'll share you a trick which will be very beneficial to you. So watch the video till the end, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then first subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can receive new video updates. Okay, now let's get started. So guys, I would like to discuss some things related to the project before starting the demo. The client has given me a PDF file. In the PDF file, some names have been written which cannot be edited. So the client has assigned me to arrange these names alphabetically and send it to him in Word file form, that is .doc form, through email. It is a $5 work which I have computed and delivered it on time. So the client has given me this PDF in which you could observe some names. Basically, there are two methods. I will one by one type those names in Word file alphabetically, which will take decades. For $5 work, I won't do that. I'll share you a trick from where you can automatically type these names. There's a website called smallpdf.com. Link in the description. Before going to the link, watch the video till end so that you can ace in this type of work. It's basically a free site which will automatically convert PDF into any format. So select the PDF, and for now I want to convert it to a Word file. First, it will get uploaded and then you gotta download it through the link provided by it for free. If you get this type of projects on Fiverr or Upwork or Freelancer where you need to convert one format file to another file, you can simply use this website and upload it here. You don't need to type and waste your time. Just smart work. Click on the download button. Please practice this on the website so that you become a pro. I actually faced an error when I converted it. Since the PDF was not of high resolution, I faced a problem because of it. The alphabet A was replaced by a comma automatically everywhere. You can see in the word contact, in place of a comma is placed. Now look how easily I'll solve this problem. I want to show you every possible problem I faced, cause in future even you may face these type of problems. I'm not faking out to extend the video. I'm trying my best to help you in every possible way. Simply copy the data to the Excel file. Then first select the first row and press Ctrl F. A box pops up. In replace option, enter comma. In replace with option, enter A. Then click replace all. Look, comma was automatically replaced with A everywhere. Similarly, do the same with second, third and fourth column. Problem is solved. Now I gotta arrange them alphabetically. These two I'll not do manually. First, select the names. Then go to the data menu. You will find sort option where you can get many options like A to Z and Z to A. You gotta simply click A to Z. Here you go. The data is sorted automatically and easily. Now deliver the file in Excel form or in Word file form to the client. Look, this is so easy. This was a $5 work which I finished in 2 minutes. So guys, I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, like it, share it, and if you have any queries, write your comments in comment section or direct message me on Instagram or email me at imtechvishal. I'll try my best to solve your queries and help you out. Thank you and subscribe my channel.